getting to see another college buddy from Dartmouth, Fergie. She was our goalie, and yeah, she's from Nova Scotia. So I'm in Pictou, Nova Scotia with Fergie. Hello. Mac and Owen. What's up, Owen? Nothing. We're gonna go see the town and getting the tour from Miss Fergie. Hey guys. And I'm learning how to rap in the backseat.
I can't no more. Hat down, cross town, living like a rock star. Spend a lot of money on my brand new guitar.
Okay, who taught you this dance? You can get a really nice spot down here on the water for 250. Sign me up. That's half a condo in Kelowna. Yeah. This house here was for sale and that was $200,000. Holes in the deck, and all the fish go down in the floor, and they'll get 10,000 pounds of fish. And they come in, and then they'll go underneath the suckers.
Same place. None of us are getting out alive.
So live life now?
Yeah. Yeah. Be cool. Take it easy.
Don't get worked up. Things will work out. Stay cool. And live on the water. Live on the water. Yes. This is my boat. What we do, we get up, we see the sun, we fish lobsters, lots of lobsters, and enjoy the winter. Fergie has decided that she's going to be taking me quadding, and that's what they do in Nova Scotia. They boat, or they come on. Wish me luck. So we actually have to wear her fishing gear. Look at those dancing shoes! I think I'm ready to go. You can do it! Woo! Ready?
Woo! Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Go. Grundy's you have to wash your hands, make sure they're clean, and take off your shoes or boots.
You listen so well. Yeah. Now you're allowed in the RV. You're allowed.